Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Bros. 3 on iPhone. First, you'll need to understand that playing classic console games on a modern smartphone typically involves using an emulator application. These apps mimic the original hardware, allowing your iPhone to run game files designed for older systems. We will cover selecting the right emulator, finding game files, and setting up your controls for an authentic experience. This guide will help you transform your iPhone into a portable retro gaming console, ready for adventure. Choosing the right emulator is your first crucial step. Several excellent options exist, often available through alternative app stores or direct web installations. Look for emulators that offer features like quick save states, fast forward options, and robust support for external Bluetooth controllers. Some popular choices include Delta and RetroArch, which provide a comprehensive emulation experience. Always ensure the app you choose is from a reputable source to maintain your device's security and performance. Next, you'll need the Super Mario Bros. 3 game file, commonly known as a ROM. Legally, you should only download ROMs for games you already own. Many websites offer these files, so choose a well-known and trusted source. Once downloaded, you'll typically transfer the ROM file to your iPhone using cloud storage services like iCloud Drive or Google Drive, or by connecting your phone to a computer. Ensure the file is in a format your emulator recognizes, usually a NES file. With your emulator installed and ROM transferred, it's time to set up and play. Open your emulator and load the Super Mario Bros. 3 ROM. Take a few minutes to configure the settings, adjusting video and audio for optimal performance. You can customize the on-screen touch controls to your preference, or for a truly authentic experience, connect a Bluetooth controller. Many emulators support popular gamepads, offering a more tactile and enjoyable way to navigate the Mushroom Kingdom. Now, enjoy your adventure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.